The worlds of traditional banking and cryptocurrency are finally merging, creating a bridge between the old and the new. For years, banks were the old guard, representing stability and tradition, while crypto was the upstart outsider, challenging the status quo with bold innovation. Now, U.S. regulators have given banks the green light to offer crypto services, marking a pivotal shift in financial policy. On December 9, 2025, the OCC issued Interpretative Letter 1188, officially allowing banks to act as intermediaries for crypto transactions, a move that was once unimaginable. This means your local bank can now help you buy and sell digital assets, making crypto more accessible than ever before. It's a foundational change, signaling a new era in finance where digital and traditional assets coexist and complement each other. The move is part of a broader push for the U.S. to lead in digital assets, with regulators creating clear, consumer-protective rules that foster innovation while ensuring safety. The goal: harness crypto's innovation within the safety of the established financial system, giving consumers more choices and greater confidence. Imagine logging into your banking app and seeing options to purchase digital currencies alongside your regular accounts, all in one secure place. This isn't just a regulatory update. It's a powerful endorsement of crypto's legitimacy and a signal that digital assets are here to stay. Digital assets are now recognized as a permanent part of our financial landscape, shaping how we save, invest, and transact. The revolution is here, and it's happening at your bank, bringing the future of finance to your doorstep. Welcome to the future of money, where innovation and tradition finally meet. What does this mean for you, your finances, and the way you interact with your bank? In short, greater access and renewed trust in your financial institution. Until now, crypto felt risky, confusing, and unfamiliar to most people. Now banks are stepping in to make it approachable, secure, and easier to understand. Banks can now act as agents, buying or selling crypto for you without holding it themselves, minimizing their risk and yours. This opens the door for banks to offer user-friendly crypto platforms, educational resources, and even in-person guidance. Expect new features in your banking app, dedicated support for digital assets, and more ways to manage your money. Crypto is moving from a niche interest to a mainstream financial tool, available to everyone. By bridging banks and crypto, regulators are making digital assets safer, more transparent, and accessible to all. For everyday people, this means more choice, more control, and a simpler path to participate in the future economy. The barriers that once kept people out are coming down. Crypto is no longer just for tech enthusiasts or early adopters. It's for everyone, regardless of age or background. The mainstream moment has arrived, and your bank is ready to help you take part. Every economy needs a reliable store of value, an asset you can trust to hold its worth over time. Gold and real estate have filled this role for centuries. In the digital age, crypto aimed to be the new store of value, but volatility made it risky. What's missing is a dependable digital asset for long-term savings and stability. As banks introduce millions to crypto, people will seek safety and reliability, not just speculation. The digital asset that becomes a true store of value will be foundational to the new financial world. We need a cryptocurrency that's not just innovative, but trustworthy for the future. The search for digital gold is more urgent than ever. Enter Pi Network, a project built to be the people's digital gold. Unlike speculative coins, Pi is designed for accessibility and long-term value. Anyone with a smartphone can participate. No technical expertise required. Pi's strength lies in its massive global community, tens of millions strong. Its value is rooted in widespread belief and use, not just technology. Pi encourages long-term holding, aligning user incentives with network stability. This culture of saving sets Pi apart from the day trading mentality of other cryptos. As banks seek stable, community-backed assets, Pi stands out. It's a digital asset built for everyone, a reliable store of value for the modern age. Pi is the people's currency, ready for the mainstream. Saving is vital, but spending is what drives daily life. Every day, people make countless transactions, buying coffee, groceries, or paying bills, activities that keep the economy moving. That's where utility-based cryptocurrencies come in. They're designed to make digital payments as easy and seamless as using cash or a credit card, but with added benefits. For crypto to be truly useful, it must be stable and practical for everyday transactions. People need to trust that the value won't suddenly change between the time they order and pay. Most digital assets are treated as investments, but wild price swings make them impractical for buying coffee or groceries. Volatility creates uncertainty, which discourages real-world use. A true utility currency needs stability and real-world use. It should be something you can rely on, whether you're shopping online or splitting a dinner bill with friends. Stable, utility-based cryptocurrencies are designed for commerce, not speculation. They're built to support businesses and consumers in their daily financial activities. Their value comes from how many people use them, not how high the price goes. Widespread adoption is what gives these currencies real power and purpose. New regulations and stablecoin laws are paving the way for practical digital currencies. Governments are recognizing the need for secure, reliable payment options in the digital age. Banks will seek out currencies that can be integrated into payment systems and daily life. They want solutions that work for everyone, from individuals to large businesses. The future of crypto is about moving and using money, not just storing it. It's about making transactions faster, safer, and more accessible for all. The demand for a true utility currency is greater than ever. People want digital money that fits seamlessly into their everyday routines. The next wave of adoption will be driven by usefulness, not hype. As more people experience the convenience and reliability of utility-based cryptocurrencies, their role in our lives will only grow. Pi isn't just a store of value, it's designed to be the ultimate utility currency. The Pi ecosystem is growing, with apps and marketplaces powered by Pi for real-world transactions. You can use Pi to pay freelancers, tip creators, or buy goods globally. Peer-to-peer marketplaces are already thriving, showing Pi's real utility. Pi's design, widespread distribution, holding incentives, and focus on use support stability. It's not a stablecoin, but it's built for practical, everyday commerce. As banks offer crypto services, Pi's ready-made ecosystem becomes a major advantage. Banks can offer customers a currency to use, not just to hold. This synergy could finally bring crypto into daily life for billions. Pi is poised to be the currency of everyday transactions. U.S. banks entering crypto is the biggest catalyst for mass adoption yet. Banks are trusted by millions. Their involvement gives crypto instant legitimacy. Integrating crypto into banking apps removes barriers and builds trust. Banks will provide education, support, and simple interfaces, empowering more people to participate. This partnership is a two-way street. Banks bring trust, crypto brings innovation. Imagine buying Pi through your bank and using it instantly in Pi's marketplace. This seamless flow connects traditional finance with the digital economy. Integration will push both banks and crypto projects to innovate and improve. The result: better products, more choices, and faster adoption. The bridge between old and new finance is being built. Crypto adoption is about to accelerate like never before. Imagine a world where banking and crypto coexist seamlessly. You'll see all your assets, dollars, stocks, crypto, in one app, moving between them with ease. Saving? Allocate to a store of value like Pi. Sending money abroad? Use a utility currency for speed and low fees. Small businesses can accept Pi, reaching new customers and markets. Artists can sell globally, paid instantly without high fees. Banks will support this new wave of digital commerce, empowering entrepreneurs everywhere. Billions of unbanked people with smartphones can finally access financial services. Linking digital wallets to banks creates new pathways to economic empowerment. The future is a hybrid system, combining banking security with crypto's efficiency and reach. We're building a more open, interconnected, and equitable global economy. We're witnessing a historic turning point. U.S. regulators have ended the debate. Crypto is now a legitimate part of our economy. This breakthrough combines crypto's innovation with the trust of established banks. Projects like Pi, built for people and real-world use, are perfectly positioned for this new era. Pi's global community and practical focus make it an ideal partner for banks. The journey ahead is about collaboration and growth, new products, new marketplaces, and financial inclusion for millions. This is about building a fairer, more prosperous world. People will have more control and more opportunities than ever before. The bridge between old and new finance is open. We're stepping into a future that's more efficient, transparent, and inclusive. The best is yet to come.